Why do you use a dibber tool? Here's the answer. Dig holes. How do you spot a spider mite issue? Time's up! It's webbing! What is the goal of deadheading? And the answer is more blooms. When is the best time to prune roses? The answer is late winter. How do you propagate lavender? Answer, stem cuttings. What does the term bolting mean? The answer is premature seed. Why are beans good for garden soil? The correct choice is fixed nitrogen. Where should you place a cold frame? Did you guess it? The answer is south-facing. How do you treat peach leaf curl? The answer is fungicide. What is a biennial plant life cycle? Here is the answer. 2 years. Why do you use a soil thermometer? Did you guess it? The answer is planting time. How do you stop cucumber beetles? Did you guess it? The answer is row covers. When should you harvest pumpkins? Answer, hard skin. What is a benefit of a rain garden? Did you guess it? The answer is runoff control. Why do you use horticultural fleece? The answer is frost shield. How do you aerate a small lawn? Did you guess it? The answer is core aerator. What causes blossom drop in peppers? The correct choice is heat stress. When do you plant garlic cloves? The correct choice is late autumn. Why is copper spray used on trees? Did you guess it? The answer is fungal issues. How do you identify male blossoms? Here is the answer. Thin stems. What describes sandy loam soil? Did you guess it? The answer is good drainage. Where are adventitious roots found? Answer, above ground. Why do you use a hori-hori knife? Here is the answer, multi-purpose. How do you prevent damping off? Answer, airflow. When do you apply dormant oil? Here is the answer, late winter. Why are nematodes used in gardens? Answer: kill larvae. When do you divide iris rhizomes? Did you guess it? The answer is after bloom. How do you treat scale insects? Answer: neem oil. How do you spot rust on leaves? And the answer is orange spores. When do you harvest asparagus? Answer: third year. What is a complete fertilizer? Time's up. It's NPK included. Where is the xylem in a stem? Answer: vascular tissue. Why do you use a misting system? The answer is propagation. How do you manage thrips? The correct choice is blue cards. What is a soil drench? The correct choice is liquid feed. What is the role of boron in plants? Answer: cell walls. When do you use a scion for grafting? And the answer is during union. Why is the rhizosphere important? Answer: root microbes. How does gibberellin affect growth? Here is the answer: cell elongate. What is a cold stratifier for? The correct choice is breaking seeds. How do you measure transpiration? The answer is potometer. What is the effect of auxin? The answer is apical dominance. What is the goal of scarification? And the answer is seed coating. Why is humic acid added to soil? Time's up. It's nutrient intake. How does parthenocarpy work? Did you guess it? The answer is fruit no seed. Why is silica used in plants? Here is the answer: cell strength. What is the CN ratio of grass? Here is the answer: 15 to 1. How do you calculate GDD? The correct choice is temp averages. When is a plant a xerophyte? Here is the answer: desert adapted. Why do plants need magnesium? Answer: chlorophyll. Great job. Did you ace this quiz? Drop your score in the comments and challenge a friend. Hit that like button and subscribe for your daily dose of knowledge.